Cherry picking time. Add 3 number word problems. Directions are to read, solve, and explain your answer. Don't forget to see if you can make 10 as you solve these problems. Problem 1. The ice cream man had 3 drumsticks, 4 ice cream sandwiches, and 6 popsicles. How many different ice creams did he have in all? Press pause to solve this problem and hit play when you're ready to move on. Problem 2. Fred found 5 bugs. Brett found 5 bugs. Kate found 7 bugs. How many bugs did they find altogether? Press pause to solve this problem. Press play when you're ready to go to problem 3. Number 3. Carl ate 7 peanuts at the baseball game. Jane ate 4 peanuts and Hank ate 3 peanuts. How many peanuts did they eat altogether?